Hey folks, AJ the CEO here, and it is Friday. I just finished doing 3 days of recordings for our Reading the Bible in 1 year because we're getting ready to get on the road. We are heading to Dover, Delaware to help out Union Baptist Church up there in Dover. I want to get up there so I don't have to do a long drive Saturday morning, very early Saturday morning to get up there and then drive back on the same day. So we're going to be heading up so I can actually just hang out and relax in the hotel for the rest of the day. That's the reason why I'm not doing a live stream today. I told y'all I was going to be on the road and was taking 2 weeks off, but that's what we're going to be doing. I think we're going to be installing a sound system for them and then doing some training for them, and then we're going to be getting back here because I got to play for the Voices of Praise 5th Sunday here. But let's get on the road. Let's actually have some good time-lapse music for this drive, and we'll be seeing y'all once we get to the church. Alright folks, so we are here and I got checked in. Like I said, don't have to be there until 10 tomorrow, and it's actually like 10 minutes away from here. So I'm just gonna try and, I gotta do some work because I got a couple of calls that came in. May do a couple of videos, I don't know, but mainly gonna try and relax, and then we will be over at Union Baptist tomorrow. So let's see y'all tomorrow. All right, folks. Well, I had let them know that I was here early, and they said they're only 10 minutes away from the church. So I'm going to head down there, and let's see. Maybe we can get stuff knocked out in a day. I don't know. But anyway, let's head over to the church early and see what we can get the lay of the land and then go from there. All right, folks. We're here. Let's get inside. All right, folks. So very interesting. So I got here and just trying to remember what the expectation is. I mean, because I told them I was here early, so they said I can come over here to the church, so I'm over here. So I'm trying to get the lay of the land and remember exactly what I need to do. So this is the X32 today, but they said that they actually ran the Ethercon cable back there already. So nothing is really hooked up. Then they have a stage box here in the front, and I remember we had a Zoom consultation where they walked through here in the church, and I saw everything. And again, just trying to refresh myself. So got some subs, so we're definitely gonna have to make a separate mix for that. The line arrays, and that other line has been ran. Trying to find, I don't know where the other light control is, but that is back here. And we got the S32 here. So these are all the connections that we're going to have to just move over and label, and I'm just going to do verbatim. And I do have my tools in the car, but I don't think I need to do that right now. These are going to go away, and the snake is going to go in place of this. And again, it looks like everything is up here, and as long as we do the connections back there, and we just got to relabel everything and get the outs properly done, that's mainly it. So let me crack this thing open, make sure we get a connection back to the S32 first, to the snake from the S32, and then I'm gonna take some pictures of the current layout that they have, and then we will go from there. Alrighty, so temporarily removed everything and pretty much plugged it in exactly in the same order here. Two of the cables wouldn't reach, but they're laying over right here. I need to go get my drill to take this out, and this looks like this was a custom mount. I was gonna say it's wide enough, so I'll probably have to take the screws and screw these right into the 2x4s for the mount, and then I can get back behind here and kind of sort out the cables. So let me do that, make sure I don't get locked out, and then get some sound going, hopefully. All right, we made some good progress today, folks. I've put in the S32, plugged up everything, haven't had a chance to identify, and it reminds me I didn't bring my XLR tester so I can identify which line is which. But so far, I'm not going to play the music because I'll get hit for it. But I do have everything hooked up. I'm getting sound from this, and I'm getting sound from here. So it looks like I might have to change the routing or the cabling, because that is going with the house sound. Nothing was coming out of this one, but it was coming out of here. So I got to find out and re-hook up the source that's going out into the amps, identify which one is going to which speaker. Got to make a subwoofer channel so that the lows are routed for those. I'm not getting any sound from there. Well, I got some sound from something else, but obviously I was in the back. I couldn't tell which one is which. So I've identified a dedicated live stream mix. I have that on mix number 10. I connected that to the ATEM. The ATEM is actually running software version 7.3. So I downloaded the 10.2.1. Download that in the morning. McAfee was just messing up a whole bunch of stuff, and it was outdated. So I'm removing McAfee. I might get in trouble for that, but McAfee is trash, antivirus. So got rid of that. Tomorrow, gonna install all the updates, start identifying all the mics, start identifying the sound, and that's it. Now, at worst, at the latest, I have to get on the road by 6. So that'll get me back home around like 11, close to midnight, so I can be ready since I got to play Sunday. But we have done good. Just got to identify a few more things. We cleaned up a lot of the cabling, and like I said, it's most likely just the identification of these. Probably just got to change the inputs that are routed, or preferably probably just change the labeling on one of these. This bottom one is not connected because it wasn't the right type of cable, and this is screwed in. Can't really get behind it like that, but got all the mics plugged in, got everything set up. Just got to test the whole thing. And also, it looked like they had the whole system on. And no, we don't leave the system on. If it's not being used, it needs to be turned off. And it looks like I might need to plug the X32 into a different jack so that this thing gets turned off, because we don't want to leave this on either. So for right now, I'm just going to reach back behind here and turn this off. And it's like a distribution here. So might need to probably put an extension or something like that so it'll turn all that stuff off as well too. But we're good. I'm just eyeballing some stuff. We got some, looks like it's only one hanging mic. Gotta identify that. That's probably gonna be phantom power. All of the mics up here. It doesn't look like, okay, they do have some drum mics, but they're not on the drums. So we gotta identify each one of those. Got on the keys. Gotta identify that. Looks like there's a wireless here in the podium. Gotta identify that, and we gotta set up this stuff so this stuff goes off and it's not on the entire time. It looks like the Leslie also had a mic. Yeah, it's on the floor. We gotta identify all of those, and we'll do that in the morning. We have some more people here, but we're doing good so far. So we'll catch y'all in the morning. Alrighty, folks, we are back. Everybody is here. We're actually getting started a little bit earlier. They said they'll be here at 9. Really, it's not supposed to start till 10, but it is 9:10. So let's get inside, see what we can do. We got to identify all the mics, isolate the speakers, reroute those, make the mixes, do some tests, and go from there. So let's get inside. Hey, folks. So we've been working. Pretty much I'm going through identifying all of the mics. Got the piano playing through there. I'm actually playing some music right now, but I got it muted so I don't get in trouble. I'm just working our way through everything. They were having an issue with the speaker downstairs. They're having some women's meeting, so I had to go down there and take care of that real quick. But we're just going through, finish labeling, and then when they're done, come up here, train them on everything, and that's it. Also, I did identify all of the mixes. So we got entrance downstairs. I mean, it's actually in the bathroom. There's another speaker that's downstairs. I don't know what that is, but I don't want to do that right now because they are having a meeting. Identified the pulpit, the band speaker, the subs. We have our live stream, and there's a couple other ones, but so far we're doing good. I told them about the system. Probably gonna suggest getting another PoE switch that goes to the cameras and everything so that it's not on all the time. Probably tie that, maybe even the castle plug would actually help with that. But let's finish doing the rest of the stuff and then get some more stuff identified and we go from there. So for the most part, I think I've identified everything. There are 4 mics that are not working, and I can't recall if that was what they originally were saying that they had problems with. I just can't remember. It's 2 Shure mics that are not working. I have no idea what those are. And well, actually, there's 3 Shure mics because I mean, at least I identified this other one here, and that's the one that's up under here under the podium. I was able to identify that one and I have it marked. I have no idea where that is. Also, the kick wasn't hooked up, but I have that hooked up now. And that was the snake from here. So all of these. That one. I don't know what's up with that one. I need to re-identify that one. I have it. And then I have this plugged in, but I have no idea where that's going to. These were ones that are sitting up under the organ, I guess, for the bottom and top horns of the Leslie, but it sounds like the Leslie is having maybe some oil or something. When I turn the Leslie on, it just starts having a grinding sound. But I am not here for that. Alright, so let me make sure that doesn't require phantom power. And I got AI on, so to get rid of that music that I'm playing. So now that I've identified everything, except for those mics, I need to sort everything so it makes it easier to adjust on the board so the instruments are together, the mics are together, all that stuff like that. But let me find where. So that is the tom. Maybe it just wasn't turned up, or it doesn't need phantom power. Let me turn this up. Gain is up. So let me adjust this with the drum mic. And again, those are not going to go through the house anyway. It's going to be for the live stream and external. Let me adjust that. Alrighty, folks. I think we are done. I don't know why I'm getting tired all of a sudden, but we got their system set up. Kind of got all the mics identified. Got their routing for. They have to order 2 new cables for the last 2 wireless mics, but we have that set up and already pre-configured. They just got to plug it in. They're also ordering a cable. We got the audio routed into the aux for the PC that's going to live in the back. Right now, we use their existing connection right now that is plugged into local XLR number 1. That is temporary. Once they get the other cables, all of that will go into the aux in the back. The ceiling mics are not hooked up, so I guess that's the reason why they have the choir like that. Not a big deal. That's not routed there. We identified all the other stuff. One of the handheld mics was not the wired mics was actually broken, so we had to replace. That was with their portable system that they have downstairs. So they're getting that, and their keyboard and mouse was acting up, so we just lumped that in for a new keyboard and mouse for them to have up here as well too. I think we're straight. I'll be on standby if they need anything. It's gonna be difficult tomorrow since I'm playing, but everything was sounding fine, and I just told them we kind of set the live stream at a basic setup for them. Since it's a separate mix, everywhere else sounds to be fine, so I think we're good to go. Union Baptist, thank you so much for reaching out. It's a nice, decent drive up here. Getting ready to go charge up for a little bit and then get on my way back home. So I think that's about it. I didn't record as much because again, we're trying to get everything straight for them. I tried to record as much as possible, but mainly it was just installing a sound system and then identifying their old stuff and then connecting it to the new. That's mainly it. If I had some more time, I would have rerouted everything and made everything nicer and prettier and move everything to channels 1 through 16 and all the blank ones leave at the end, but not that big of a deal. That can be done remotely if need be. But I think we are good. So if you like type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell, that way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Time to get on the road. And that's about it, folks. We'll catch you on the next video. Later.